In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where you can't record or send WhatsApp voice messages. So the first step to fix WhatsApp messages not working is to simply open up the settings. And once in the settings, we just want to swipe down from the top so that we see the search bar and then just search microphone. Once microphone comes up, select it once in microphone, scroll down and find WhatsApp, and you just want to make sure that WhatsApp has access to the microphone. So go ahead and toggle it on and give it access. Once you've ensured that WhatsApp has access to your microphone from there, you can close the settings and give WhatsApp voice messages another try if it's still not working for you. What I recommend doing is going back into the settings on your phone and you want to open up Bluetooth. And I just recommend toggling off Bluetooth temporarily, turning it off, and seeing if this fixes your WhatsApp voice message problem. If your WhatsApp voice messages are still not working, the next thing I would recommend doing is simply restarting your iPhone or your Android phone. Just go ahead and turn off your phone and then turn it back on. Once you reboot your phone, that should fix your WhatsApp voice message problems.